Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Snapchat sound not working problem. So all you have to do first is you have to go to your Play Store or App Store and then type Snapchat and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application or your Snapchat is up to date. Once okay, then you can try to open again, and if it's not working, then what you're going to do is to follow the second method, and that is to go to your settings or snapshot settings, scroll down and look for notifications and make sure that all of this are on, or you have checked these boxes right here, especially sound, ring, vibrate. And then once done, you can now go back and then try if this won't work or the problem has been solved. If not, then you have to proceed with the third method here. The third method is you have to exit your Snapchat, long press your Snapchat application, click App Info, and then here you have to simply go to Manage Notifications and make sure that you turn on this notification right here, except for the silent notifications and white notifications. So after doing this, you can go back to your Snapchat and see if it fixed the sound problem. If not, then the last method here is you have to long press your Snapchat, go to app information, click this permissions, and make sure that you have allowed camera, context, location, microphone, phone, and storage. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.